in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset or restore your Toshiba laptop back to default settings, reinstall everything, and delete all of your personal files. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System or Update and Security on older versions of Windows. And then on the right panel, you want to scroll down and select Recovery. Select underneath Recovery Options where it says Reset this PC and then the Reset PC button. Select the option to remove everything. Remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings, and then you just would proceed with the on-screen wizard for that. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.